we're going to finish up chapter 18 here. So, the third visitor entered. Limping, his partner limping, too much excitement. His stupid body was jerking all over the place. Denton Deer sat down to the wheelchair. Take it easy, Chris. Calm down, kid. I'm not the creature from the Black Lagoon, you know. His partner, a doctor, watched horror movies on television too. Slowly, arms untangled, legs unsnarled. Slowly, Chris stuttered out his news. Flora Baumbach felt so guilty about seeing their dropped clue that she told him one of their clues. Mountain. But we mustn't tell Turtle. Don't worry, the intern said, displaying a bruised shin. Chris laughed and then stopped. Sorry. Mountain. Denton Deer thought about the new clue. If a treasure is hidden in a grain shed on a mountain plain, I'm not sure I have time to look for it. Do you? Let's forget the clues. I have something more important to tell you. Don't get excited, okay? Chris nodded. His partner was going to ask for the money. Denton Deer stood. I'll get your toothbrush and pajamas, and then we'll go to the hospital. Don't get excited. Chris got excited. How could he explain that what he wanted from his partner was companionship, not more probing, pricking doctors with their bad news that made his mother cry? Listen, Chris, can you hear me? Just overnight, I found a neurologist, a nerve doctor, who works on problems like yours. Operation? No operation. Did you hear me, Chris? No operation. The doctor thinks a new medicine may help. But he has to examine you, make some tests. I have your parents' permission, but no one will touch you unless we talk it over first. You and me, together, I promise. Chris grimaced, trying to smile. His partner said talk it over. The two of them together. They were really partners now. You can have money. What? Oh, the money? Later. Here, let me take those. You won't need them in the hospital. Chris clung to his binoculars. Well, I guess you do need them. Ready? Here we go. All of a sudden, he was leaving Sunset Towers, pushed by his limping partner. Maybe Dr. Deer is not who and what he says he is. Maybe he's being kidnapped for ransom. Maybe he's being held hostage. Oh boy, he hasn't had so much fun in years. And we are going to get to chapter 19 next.